Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are reviewing the Lenovo Tab M10 Plus 3rd generation. As promised in the previous video of the unboxing of this tablet, I told you that I will make a review about it. If you didn't check out the video guys, please go check it out. I will let the link on the description. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. So, I've been using the tablet for a month. I had specifically some applications for video streaming and for some classes that I'm taking in university. The last 10 days I had an issue with the tablet. I will start with the positive things that the tablet has, and the negatives I will let them in the end. So please stick to the whole video to see everything I'm about to say about the tablet. I've been using it for a month. I am satisfied, I can say, really satisfied of the performance of the tablet. It has a great display. I think it's the perfect size, 10.3 inches. It's great for streaming media, browsing the web. Okay, one disadvantage of the is minor disadvantage, because I'm coming from a phone that has a 120 Hz display. The tablet has 60 Hz, but it's not a big of a deal. It feels a bit laggy, but it's not. It's actually very good. It's really bright, the display. It was one of the things that impressed me from the beginning. For the processor, I can't say much because I am not really a heavy user. I don't play games or I don't use very heavy applications. The 4 GB of RAM, it's quite enough for the use that I did. I don't think I need more. For me, it's good. It has really smooth performance for everyday tasks, and I guess for light gaming, but I'm not playing games. The speakers are really good for watching videos on YouTube, Netflix. It's perfect. The quality. It supports also Dolby Atmos. As you can see here, you can enable it and disable it. Okay, now let's talk about the battery life. The battery life, I'm impressed. I don't know what to say. I mean, I'm watching an NBA game. The NBA games normally last around 2 hours, okay? The battery dropped like 15%, which is nothing. Like you can see, I don't know, many NBA games with one battery charge. Let's talk about the cameras a bit. I didn't use them that much. I mean, who uses cameras on a tablet, right? The front camera looks a bit better, I guess. Anyways, that's from the front camera. Quite nice. Quite nice. That's from the back camera. This is nice also. The back camera. The front camera is 5 megapixels and the back camera is 8 megapixels. It's not a very heavy tablet. It's 465 grams, which it's quite handy. You can move it around, like take it in the bed and watch movies or whatever you want. I really loved the display watching Netflix and the speakers. It's the perfect combination for me. Take the tablet, stay on bed, watch my movies, my series. It's really fun to use it and not have your phone to like see everything smaller, right? I mean, look at it. It's really beautiful.
Der Grund, warum ich euch heute Morgen vor dem Unterricht hergestellt euch über etwas Wichtiges sprechen wollte, über Ehrendorf. Okay,
that's it with the Netflix. I think I have to mention also that on Twitch you can see 1080p 60. It's really good. I like to watch streams through this tablet. YouTube also supports 1080 60 maximum. Doesn't support 2K resolution. Now let's go to the stylus part. If you're a student, you will love this tablet. The combination with the 10, it's amazing, trust me. You don't need to spend more money on the tablet with a pen. It's perfect. Let's go to that. It's absolutely smooth to use this pen, very smooth experience. I never had tablet with a pen, and this is my first tablet with a pen, and I think it's the perfect fit for every student, for someone that needs to write something all the time, take notes. So here we are in the OneNote application. I think this application is from Microsoft. I'm not sure. It has a lot of potential. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, let's start writing. Like, hello, I am Korean Lucian and I'm reviewing. I think you took an idea how the pen performs. I bought this separately in the videos of the unboxing. Overall, very satisfied from the pen, and guess what? I didn't charge it. Since I bought it, I didn't charge it yet. The battery is really good. What else? What else? Also, you can draw. If you're a good drawer, there are lots of applications to start or learn how to draw. The pen, it's also good for this. Let me show you a small example of it. The feeling is it's absolutely perfect if you are a drawer or someone who likes to paint. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of it. I mostly use the pen for taking notes. If you watch my YouTube channel, I'm also a fan of Xbox games, and I own an Xbox, and Xbox supports remote streaming games from your Xbox to the tablet. I can show you this also, since I tried it, and you can see how it performs. So I have to connect my Xbox controller to the tablet. We enable Bluetooth. It's paired. We go to the Xbox application, the remote play on this device. Okay, now I'm connected to my Xbox. I can control my Xbox through the application of Xbox to this tablet. You need to have good internet, which I don't have, to have perfect quality. But as you can see, the tablet supports really good and really fast. Let's see a game like eFootball 23. If I had better internet, we would see faster response to games. Seeing a small example of it. Okay, it's quite laggy because of the internet, but you get a point. You have this ability also to play games. Great. And now the part that disappointed me. Good overall, but what's the catch of the budget price and the good quality? I guess it's the software, guys. It's a big issue. What happens here? Lenovo makes some updates like all the companies do, right? Software updates. So what happens? Just look also by yourselves. There is an update, this update, 46 megabytes. The tablet keeps downloading it and it cannot install it. That's a big issue. When I bought the tablet, the updates were normally being installed. I had zero issues. I was reading reviews from other people saying that they have problems with installing software. And I said, maybe it's just them. But it's like 10 days now that this update keeps downloading and it cannot install itself. I don't know why. I searched the whole internet. They were saying wipe cache from factory settings, the battery drain, and fully charge it and then try download it again and it will be installed. Nothing works. I had to follow the last advice, reset to factory settings. So I did it, and the problem is still here. The tablet cannot install the software update. You will see it by yourselves. Okay, look now. It goes this far, then it will go fast until here, and after it will show an error. Look, failed to do it, and it keeps repeating this thing again and again and again and again. So if you are in the market for a tablet, guys, if you want to have your mind free about software updates and all of these things, consider buying something else, not this tablet. Why? To have a problem like this, they can fix it. I see lots of people complaining about it, and maybe some people want to rethink about buying a Lenovo tablet. To be fair, I didn't communicate with the company yet, but I promise you guys that I will. And if I'll find a solution, I will make a short video, tell you how it fixed, if the problem will be fixed. Okay, that was the video. Thanks for watching, guys. And subscribe to the channel would be nice. Like the video if you liked it. Comment below. Let me know if you want to talk a bit more about the tablet or say something else. That was my user experience after 1 month, right? I cannot say much, but the problem that I faced was this one, only this one. Overall, I'm satisfied, but the software update, it's an issue. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and see you in the next one. Bye, guys.